Hello there and welcome back to my channel, and I am back with the last project as part of my Paper Florist class, which is a simple little card, a smaller card actually, like a little, could be good for a little note card, something like that. And I've decided to use the circles that are for the sort of centres of the flowers, to use them as a little background. So just a little fun design. I'm going to do with this one slightly different, but what you need is a piece of thick white, and it's 10.5 centimetres by 10.5, so it's the exact width of a normal size card that you'd make. So it's exactly the same as width as this one that we did earlier, but it's square. Okay, so it's 10.5 by 10.5. And then you have a piece of white at 8 centimetres by 8 centimetres, so 8 centimetres square. And then I've used fresh freesia at 8.5, and that's gonna go on here. Now the hardest thing is you do need 16 circles, and I've got some here. I'm hoping I've got enough actually. So the dies come like this. So you get the larger one with the dots on, and then one without the dots and just stitches. You also get the smaller ones on the same die, so I've saved those. I might do a shaker card with those. So I've tried to do a combination of different ones, just hoping I've got enough and that it all works out. It looks like I've got enough anyway. So I might copy what I've done, because if I've already done it, I've already put the I've already thought about it and it works. So I'm just going to pop these on. Oops, not that one, just to see. So I would always put these on first and then take them off. So I'm just going to look at spacing. Oops, my scissors have got a bit of glue on them, so that's picking stuff up. Right, maybe I should use my bone folder. Okay, that's... Oh, I'm having a nightmare today. Everything's glued up. Right, let's just pop those on and see. Let's firstly work out if we've got enough circles. So I'm a little bit particular in that I don't like to have like the same one in a row. I'm a bit weird. So I have changed them slightly from my other design. That's going to be... I love dotty things and spotty things. So now actually you could cheat this. We could really so easily cheat this and not put one under where the flower's going. But we know it's not right, don't we? Oh, am I one short? Oh, man. Do you know what? I think I might cheat it. Don't tell anybody. Right, now they're not equal. They're not equal. But I can adjust them. So the key is to get the corners right. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably do it the opposite way and put the glue on the project and then take the circle to the glue. And I'm actually looking at my previous design and eyeballing the gap here. So if I get the outer two correct, again, I'm going to take the glue and pop it on the card. Like that, and then I'll fill in these two. In fact, yeah. Just looking at the gap. Oh, that was handy. Okay, so we've successfully done the top row. Oh, she says. There we go. So we can, I would then do the sides, all right? So we'll take this one off. So if you're going to cheat like me, you need 15. If you're going to be good and do it properly, you need 16. I thought I had 16 actually. Sorry, I'm not talking, I'm concentrating. Whoops. I've moved those now. Oh, let's do that one. Nearly there. Oh, that looks a bit low compared to that one. The joy of the wet glue is you can move things. You've a few seconds. The doggy's getting restless under my desk as well. Two more. Now what you could do is you could run this through an embossing folder. That might look nice as well. Okay, sorry, I'm throwing that Tombow down my desk. It must be loud. There we go. So there we have our little background, our little patterned background. And I'm going to pop some glue on here and stick it to the freesia layer. Like that. Okay, now, I'm not going to use this black ribbon because I got some new ribbon this week. And I think it's got Bubble Bath and Lemon Lolly. It's a 3-pack sheer ribbon combo. So I'm going to use pink. Right, I'm going to use the Lemon Lolly ribbon. I've already made a flower, so I've decided to go for a Bubble Bath flower, and I've gone with a little circle rather than that. And let's open this ribbon. I only just got this ribbon this week. It's a new purchase. It's got a little silver edge. It's nice. So let's have a go with it. Okay, let's move that up a bit. I think I've twisted it by accident there. Just zhuzhing. Okay, so let's have a look at that. Put that there. Ooh, ooh, I like. So we need to trim now. I need to get my nice ribbon scissors out. All right, that's wanting to go over there. That's fine. We'll do that. And we'll do that. And then, I don't know if I like that. Let's just mess with that a bit. It's this twisted ribbon. It's not my friend. Hang on. I'm not happy with it, what it's doing to my project. Naughty ribbon. We're just going to have to go with it, aren't we? Look, I have ribbon troubles too sometimes, just to prove that. There we go. We'll do that like that. And then we'll put some glue on the bottom of here. And we'll stick that over there. No one knows, don't tell anyone, that there's no circle under there. No one needs to know. Okay, so as you can see, there's a very, very slim section at the bottom for a greeting. And I have used, it is from Sending Smiles. So I'm just going to grab that. It's from here. And what's this one? I just went for this one. I don't know what it is. A card to say hello. Maybe not. Because it doesn't make sense without the sending, you see. So I'm going to get the birthday wishes. Let's grab a block. Now, I think the last colour I stamped, it looks pretty clean. Pretty clean. So I don't want to do the black. I'm saying it looked clean. It's not. I just wet it a bit. I think I might do grey. Just so it's a little bit, oops. Not as you know. So I'm going to use basic grey. And I'm going to lay this down flat. Now, let's see what room we have. I've not stuck this down yet. So, oh man, it's not sticking to the block. Right, let's have a practice on here. There we go. It actually doesn't look straight to me, that's all. I'm just going to there we go. Then we'll add, I've just got grey on it. I always do that, always. I always get ink on my fingers, always. I'm going to be careful now. There we go. So there we have a little card, and I bring in the other projects that I've done. So this was card 1, and then I showed you how to make the flowers, and I'll just bring in. So we did this one, and we did the shabby chic one here. So I've just popped it on this frame so you can see them. And then we've just done this little card. There we go, using the circles as a background. So if you do have a go at doing these yourself, I would absolutely love to see those. And I'm very, very grateful to you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be back soon with another video. Thank you. Bye.